Hi everyone, it's April from Status Screens here. You probably clicked on this video because you're thinking, how do I use my status screen? Well, today I'm going to be running through exactly how to do that, as well as show you all of the effects and features that our app and our screens have to offer. If I've missed anything in this video and you still have questions, feel free to comment them down below, or you can email us at contact@statusscreens.com.au. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright guys, I hope that has cleared up any questions that you have. I am so excited to see you using your status screen, so make sure to tag us and I will see you in our next video.